Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 Audi S8. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we're going to start panel by panel. Let's begin with the front bumper. Perfect. Okay, looking at the hood, the only thing I see is a small chip right here. Everything else looks perfect. Let's move on to the driver fender wheel. Perfect. No scratches on the fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver's side doors. Okay, the front and back door look really good. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on them at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. Okay, everything on this quarter panel looks fine. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches. And the wheel has no curb rash. Taking a look at the back of the car, everything here looks perfect. The trunk has no scratches. The back bumper looks fine. The only thing I see on the back bumper is just this part is just a little faded out. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel wheel. Everything here looks perfect. No dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Moving on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door here look perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on them at all. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks very good. No dents, no scratches. Everything here is spotless. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Right, so the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. The passenger side is in excellent condition as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start with the center console. Everything looks perfect. And the steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we are going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.